Hi, Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida at the Miami Yacht Show. I'd like to take you through our booth. We've got a lot of really cool boats. Today is a really exciting day for us. We're gonna have a happy hour here starting later on in the evening. We've had great traffic through the booth. We've got several new models on display. 425 HTS, really neat boat. This is a great family boat. It's a great boat for day trips. It's a great boat to spend a week on. Kind of does everything. A little bigger version of the 425 is the very popular 485. It's a nice boat under 50 feet that has a lot of features that you generally find in bigger boats, such as a hydraulic swim platform, full beam master. Moving past that is the 510 Skye. Anybody that's ever heard of Galeon's probably heard of the 510 Skye. Really cool boat with award-winning features like fold-out balconies. It's got a tender garage, hydraulic swim platform. What's unique to the Skye is that it's got a opening hardtop area that converts to a fly bridge, and then with a touch of a button you can close it off and be done for the day. Just past the 510 Skye is the 680 Fly. This boat is a long time coming. We're very excited about having the boat here at the show. It's a big boat. It's a 68 that's 72 feet overall. It's powered with twin 1200 horsepower MAN inboards. It's amazing. It's a fast boat for its size. It weighs in at just over 90,000 pounds. And it's got a 30+ knot top end speed. It's a 4 stateroom boat, full beam master, of course, great fly bridge. We're excited about the boat. We know it's going to do very well for Galeon. We're just setting up over here for our evening happy hour. We do this every day from 6 to 7. We've got a DJ in the booth. Really exciting. We keep things kind of pumped up here with cool music. I'll just keep introducing some boats to you guys here. 430 HTC, a bit of a classic for Galeon. It's an amazing boat, straight shaft inboards, 2 stateroom. You can also get it in the 3 stateroom version. It's kind of legendary Galeon. It's a great boat. We've got the 470 Skye, again like the 510, just a little bit smaller version. 3 stateroom, also kind of unique for a 47. Opening sky deck, beautiful boat with balconies on the port and starboard side. Neat boat. 500 Fly. It's the fly bridge version of the 510 Skye. As you can see, balconies are folded out. It's a boat that's 14.8 wide with the balconies up. And it's almost 20 feet wide with the balconies down. So you get the feeling of the beam of a 70-foot boat when you're on the 500 or the 510. Both awesome boats. 55 Fly. This is a big 55. It's 58 feet overall, 3 stateroom boat, huge fly bridge, awesome salon area. This has a high gloss walnut finish. I'd love to show it to you guys. So also, popular for this boat is the Galley Aft. So it services the cockpit very well. But the reason I brought you guys in here, and I don't know if it's going to show up well on video, but this is the high gloss walnut from Galeon. Their woodwork is absolutely incredible. So extra detail to the fit and finish on a Galeon. You'll see that on every boat. But being gloss interior, it just adds such a richness to the boat and adds reflection. It just makes it feel so much bigger inside. Not that the boat isn't already big, but thought it would be worth everybody seeing. All right, I'll show you guys some more boats. 640, that'll be the next one. There's not a boat that has been received as well as the 640. The boat debuted at the Miami Boat Show in 2017. We started delivering boats in 2018. It's a very big 64. There's a big story to tell here. I'll walk you guys on and take you through a quick little walkthrough. This is access to the crew and engine room, and I'd love to take you through here because this is pretty unique in a boat this size. You have a full stand-up engine room, crew for 2. I'm here in the engine room. These are twin 1,000 horsepower Volvo Pentas D13s. straight shaft inboards, 25 knot cruise, 30 knot top end. Boat performs beautifully for such a heavy boat. It has great performance. And I'm in the engine room, and we have a stand-up engine room in a 64-foot boat. Crew space is well appointed, stand-up head and shower, separate washer and dryer. I'll walk you into the cockpit and then show you the flybridge. So I'm on the folding balcony on the starboard side. We're in what they call beach mode, so we've taken the bulkheads and we've hit a button and we've folded them down. So we're at almost 20 feet wide here. Really impressive, or over 20 feet wide. Galley aft again, huge cockpit that services the galley. The TV's in the up position right now. You can hit a button, it'll go down, and this is a bit of a buffet area. You can walk straight from the cockpit all the way to the bow of the boat. Again, a very unique feature. There's one step from the cockpit to the helm, and that's right there. And then we'll go up to the flybridge, and I'll show you the bridge, and I'll give you guys a view of the boat show. So, huge flybridge. This is, there's a lot of great features down below, but this is probably the icing on the cake here. A lot of versatility, a lot of seating. The tables have multiple configurations. This makes the boat feel a lot bigger than it is. It's a big flybridge, great for entertaining. Again, I'm Kyle Pillsbury. Stop out to the Miami Yacht Show. We love to take you through the Galeon product. Have a great day.